In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move board to another workplace Trello. We'll start on Trello.com. Go ahead and sign in so you can see your workspaces. From the home screen, open the workspace that's currently empty. On Trello, this might be labeled something like empty workspace. Once you're in, click boards to view all boards in that space. Because it's empty, you should see a prompt to create your first board. Clicking that prompt simply confirms there are no boards here yet. We won't create a new one because our goal is to bring an existing board into this workspace. Next, switch to the workspace that holds the board you want to move. In this example, it's a workspace titled Boss Workspace. Open it, then click Boards to view everything inside. Locate the board you want to move, here it's named Boss, and open it. With the board open, look for the three-dot menu in the top area of the board. Click that to open the board actions, and choose Copy Board. This is the safest, most reliable way to move a board to another workspace while keeping the original intact. In the Copy dialog, give the new board a clear name so you can distinguish it from the original. For example, type Boss Copy. Before creating the copy, set the destination workspace. You'll see a workspace field in this dialog. Click it and change it from the current workspace to the empty workspace you opened earlier. This tells Trello to place the copied board in the new location. Now review visibility. You'll see a Change Board Visibility option. It's important to set this correctly because it controls who can find and view the new board. First, select Private if you want only invited members to see it. To understand the other options, switch to Public and confirm the prompt that appears. Public boards are visible on the web, which can be useful for documentation or shared roadmaps, but be cautious because anyone can view them. For most team uses, switch to Workspace Visibility so only members of the destination workspace can access the board. Setting this up front avoids surprises after the copy is created. In the same copy dialog, you'll see checkboxes for what to bring over. Select the options you need. These typically include lists, cards, members, labels, and other board elements. Check the items you want to include in the copy. This gives you control over whether you're cloning just the structure or the full content. If you're handing the board to a different team, you might leave members unchecked. If you're creating a full duplicate to continue work seamlessly, include cards and labels. Attachments and comments can increase the size of the copy, so choose thoughtfully. Once your name, destination workspace, visibility, and options look right, click Create. Trello will generate the new board and place it in the workspace you selected. To confirm the move, return to the Trello home screen, open the empty workspace again, and click Boards. You should now see the newly created Boss copy in this workspace. Open it to verify your lists, cards, members, and other elements look the way you expect. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment or refresh your browser. That's the entire process. Open the source board, copy it, point the copy to the new workspace, set visibility, choose what to include, and create. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the destination workspace in the copy dialog, make sure you're a member of that workspace. If the visibility options are restricted, your workspace admin might control who can make boards public. And if you intended to completely relocate rather than duplicate, you can also use the Move Board option from the same menu. But copying is great for preserving an original version while you transition. You've now moved a Trello board to another workspace safely and cleanly using a copy.